Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to perform a factory reset on Google Pixel 9 through recovery mode. So first of all, make sure that your phone is turned off. To do that, hold your power button right here and volume up button simultaneously for 10 seconds. This will turn your phone off. Alright, now when your phone is off, hold your power button and volume down button simultaneously. Hold them until you'll see a slight vibration and you'll see your recovery mode option. Alright, so now we're in our fast boost mode. So navigate through here by pressing the volume down and volume up buttons. Navigate through those options, you can see a list of them. So now we are to find our, let's find it, recovery mode. Alright, confirm your choice by pressing the power button like this. Give it a few seconds to load up. Now we've got our no command. Okay, so we've got our Android icon, our no command sign. So now let's dig into recovery mode. So to do that, hold your power button and press volume up once. Alright, now we're in our recovery mode. So here navigate by using volume down and volume up, and let's find our wipe data / factory reset. Let's confirm our choice by pressing power button, find your factory data reset, and confirm your choice by pressing the power button. Now our phone is rebooted. All data has wiped out and our phone is clean and new. Let's press reboot system now and it will load up as usual. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.